Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. As per somehow we were waiting for wireless TWS earbud from OnePlus, and today we have a newish glimpse of this. A Chinese website has included these earbuds new design with three color variant from black, white and a blue and yellowish design, which shows off the newest design of a earbud we have never seen previously in any earbuds which are featuring wireless technology or wire. These earphones comes with the a battery case which enables a true wireless charging support for these, and these will work for around 5 to 10 hours of battery backup, so we do not need to worry. The white variants looks like a penguin face, which is just like a air blower of our wardrobe. In this sketchy design, we can see earbuds opening up, and the nozzle of that earbuds are very fit to our ears and can be adjusted by moving ups and downs. This will feature a touch sensor for various functions like use of Google Assistant or Alexa, and we can use these touch sensors for making next and previous song play and pause, and can attend our calls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like our this video.